Religion play an important role in the lives of majority of human being. Humans compared to animals or plants are endowed with a sense of spirituality and earning for a close contact with our Creator. Irrespective of our religious background and faith, religion is considered an essential part of life as a source of inspiration, morality, and comfort, and provides solace during times of trouble or grief. However, although religious provides a moral code on how to live a peaceful existence and helps one to deal with problems, it can be misused. In fact, in fact, mm, most of the troubles in the world stem from religious fanaticism and are extremism. Religious fanatics mm, take their religious ideology to extremes, and in their desire to propagate the teachings of their faith and ensure all the religious principles are adhered to. They resort to violent methods. The bombing of the World Trade Center in New York in 2001 is a perfect example, as well as the killing of Muslims in Gujarat, India in 2002 at the Bali bombing in that same year. Thousands of innocent lives were lost in these tragedies. Despite religion teaching tolerance, acceptance, good deeds, and moral values, these fanatics hijack their own religion for personal ends. Religious fundamentalists are to a certain extent irrational as they defy universal values of respect, freedom of beliefs, and other fundamental human rights. It is almost an impossible task to encourage them to think about the rights of others. All they care about is to achieve their goals through killings and destructions. They are there is little respect for other faiths and human values, as they consider the former as infidels who deserve God's punishment. Religion to mm, religion can be abused. Many so-called religious leaders have exploited religion to their own ends, and sad irony is that many of us have fallen victims to such irrationalist in multicultural and multi-religious nation. And there is a vital need for them to understand, accept, and practice tolerance with other faiths. Thus, it is very important that we inculcate respect for others' faith and do not stay in fundamentalism, which would ultimately destroy the harmony in the country. Children should be exposed uh, to multi faiths in the country. They should be encouraged to learn about other religions, their principles and commandments. This would, to an extent, allow the younger generation to appreciate various beliefs that existence exist in the country. The government too must play its parts of any form of religious extremism should be restricted and those caught inciting religious hatred put behind bars.